OA peeling is not the goal. Akala ng marami, the more malalaki or dramatic or intense yung peeling, the more effective ang treatment. Nope. Sa Nikki's 3-day peel, hindi naman goal na OA or intense ang peeling ng skin mo. Because the peeling is simply part of the process. Take note part of the process siya. The goal is to properly address the skin concern, especially for acne-prone and oily skin, while encouraging the skin renewal. So if you're expecting na dapat sobrang lala ng peeling para masabing effective, ay hindi ganon. Tandaan na every skin reacts differently. Some may experience visible peeling, yung talagang parang halatang-halata na malalaki talaga yung pagbabalat. While others may have minimal peeling, yung talagang hindi ganun kalalaki or ka-OA yung pagbabalat ng skin. That doesn't automatically na hindi effective ang treatment. What matters is the treatment is properly selected for your skin. Kaya nga kailangan merong skin consultation for skin assessment muna Tsaka properly performed and properly cared for after that. Yun yung importante. So don't measure the effectiveness of a peel by how much your skin peels. What matters is the result and how your skin responds to the treatment. Kaya naman again, the peeling is part of the process, not the goal.